Right, now we're taking a new what that fourth plane was. As you can see, that was a different Piper I've just seen apparently. As you can see, that was Piper PA-28-236 I've just seen that time. As you can see, that was Piper PA-28-236 I've just seen that time apparently. This time we're now seeing a Piper PA-28 this time apparently. But this is actually the different one apparently. But this is the different Piper apparently compared to the one we received from the Piper PA-28-180, but this is now 236 I've just seen. And as you can see, the rate for that one is G-FEGN. That was one of these I've just seen apparently. So yeah, if I go to Fly Radar, I should be on there. Yep, Fly Radar 24's got that. As you can see, that was this one here I've just seen. As you can see, that took off at St Mary's Airport. You can see here that that's just took off at St Mary's Airport. Whereas you can see here, because it looks like it's been visiting over to St Mary's Airport today apparently. So that's just took off at St Mary's Airport by the looks of it. I swear it's just took off from St Mary's Airport. So yeah, so as you can see, it's going from St Mary's Airport to North Able, but it looks like it's on its way back to its base by the looks of it. But it looks as if it's just sort of turning by the looks of it. Okay, so from here, it was about 23,000 feet. It wasn't any, and then here for me it was about 2275 feet as it flew past just over Falmouth. But anyway, so yes, that's now the fourth plane I've just seen that time. Okay, so yep, thanks for watching, bye bye.